Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize the action button on your iPhone Air. To customize the action button, which is above the volume controls, you can simply go to the settings. Now in the settings, go to action button. Then you can slide between different modes. You can set it to silent mode. So now when I press and hold, it turns on silent mode or ring mode. Now focus mode. And you can select all focus modes or a certain focus mode. I'll select do not disturb, sound is enabling or disabling do not disturb mode. The next one, camera. Pressing and holding will open the camera app. Another one, visual intelligence. Pressing and holding it will open visual intelligence, so you can take a photo of something and it'll tell you what it sees on the photo. And you can also ask more questions or search similar images on Google. Now let's go further. I'm just gonna go back. By the way, these camera and visual intelligence, you don't really need to set your action button to that because they both can be used with the camera control button. When you click on it once, it goes into camera, and when you, instead of clicking on it, press and hold, it opens visual intelligence. Now let's go further. Torch. It can enable the torch. Voice memo. Also, pressing and holding will start recording a voice memo and can also stop it. Recognize music, so if there's music playing in the background, it'll actually automatically recognize what that music is if you press and hold on the Shazam button. You can translate or have a conversation with someone in another language. You can open Magnifier. You can do a certain control. Like, for example, you can enable or disable dark mode, you can scan a QR code, or do way more, enable airplane mode, for example. There's a lot of things that you can do here. Then another thing is a shortcut. If you have a shortcut in the Shortcuts app, you can assign it here, and no action if you don't like the button. I'll set it to maybe the torch, and I'll go back. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.